In the following lessons, I advise to use the same frame, and since the previous embroidery didn't take a lot of space, we may apply our next buttons on the opposite side. Here I would like to offer you and embroider these two beautiful mandalas. First, we will embroider mandala with a flower. Place the button under the frame and copy one mandala with a flower. The second mandala will be copied during our next lessons. Secure the paper with the needles and redraw with a regular pencil. The picture has been copied. Thus, I'd like to use my gold beads, sequences, and metal threads, all in matching colors. Replace the beads onto the bobbin of the threads, as it was previously demonstrated in our first lessons, and place the threaded bobbin under the frame. First, we will start embroidering the front side of the flower, highlighting the edges and the corners. Apply the lock inside the flower's corner and bead until the top of the leaf. Upon commencing to the top, place one short and empty stitch in order to secure the bead, and thus we also empathize the edge of the leaf. Then continue beading all the way down till the next internal corner. Then do the same. Place a short and empty stitch in its corner, and then continue beading all the way up till the top. Repeat. Place a short stitch on the top and continue applying beads. Complete the front side of the flower with beads, and secure with a proper and small lock. Next, we will embroider the inner parts of the flower, applying sequences. Apply the lock and embroider as follows, all the way up till the top. The same process applies for the sequences. Place one and short stitch in order to secure the sequin, and thus we empathize the edge of the leaf. Then continue beading all the way down till the internal corner. Then again, place a short and empty stitch in its corner, and then continue beading all the way up till the top. Now place short and empty stitches and embroider the circular part of the leaf, as demonstrated. Thus, I would like you to complete all lists of the flower. Decorate the center of the flower according to your taste, or repeat the same. During our next lesson, we will embroider the ellipse of the flower using the buckles and try new winding methods of embroidery.